Hey, tomorrow we have meeting with CEO.
How do you know?
We got a mail. Hey guys, what we are going to discuss tomorrow in the meeting?
Let's see tomorrow.
Hello. Hello everyone. Good morning. And have a seat. So today we all have a meeting regarding that we are going to expand our business in UK to attain an international market. So regarding that we are having a meeting today, and in the board meeting we are taken decision that we are going to expand our business in UK, since we are having some contacts over there and we are having some knowledge about that market. So everyone can share their views today. So we all have a nice meeting today.
We can enter into UK market by franchising operation.
Franchising operation. So why? Can you explain your point?
The risk of business failure will be less because it is based on our proven idea.
Proven idea. Yeah. Okay, valid point. Next.
Sir, product and service have already established market share, so there is no requirement of market testing.
Market testing is not needed. Okay, next.
Yeah, sir. We can also use the recognized brand name and trademark of franchisor.
Okay. Okay, next.
We can also get benefit from any advertisement done by the franchisor. So,
Yeah, at the same time the risk level is low, so the franchising option is best one.
Yeah. Okay, we'll keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. Franchising.
No sir. If we will do franchise operation, our level of freedom will be very low.
Level of freedom. Yeah, you're also right only.
Sir, our initial cost of buying the franchise will be very high, and also we have to pay the continuous management fee. So it will lead to the reduction in our profit.
Yeah. Okay, we'll consider next.
We can make change in the business operation according to the market. We have to always depend upon the franchisor for that.
Yeah, we can't do anything properly, right? So,
but sir, if in the future our franchisor go out of business, then it will be a struggle for us, and franchisor can give bad reputation for us.
yeah, it will lead to our bad name for a company.
So we have to see.
Yeah. So, if going for franchisee operation is not a better option, so what we can do? What other than this? What we can do? Do you have any idea for that? Greenfield entry. So, how you are thinking that quickly we can adapt to that culture if you go for greenfield entry?
So we can adopt the existing director from other company to do our work.
Okay. Yeah. But for that we have to pay more salary for them.
I am going with the Salman's point in that we will be having the control to the other aspects of our business, and we need not to depend on the other franchisee.
So you are saying we'll have whole control of our business.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, in this we will be able to implement the best long-term strategy. Our commitment to the market will be sold.
Yeah. For long term, yeah, I think this idea is good. So.
We can work with relevant authorities from the beginning, so as to have control of our brands and stuff.
Yours, sir?
It likely to cost more, so the level of risk is high.
Yeah, it will cost more only.
Okay, competition is very high, so it is difficult to overcome the competition.
Obviously, we have to overcome.
Yes, along with that, government regulation will also influence us.
Yeah, actually, one thing we have to understand, everywhere, everything is having the advantage as well as disadvantage. So, if we need to think for a long-term business,
Yeah.
if we want to attain a market, so obviously we have to go for greenfield entry only. So, if you go for franchisee things, we will not get that much control, and we will not get that much brand name also.
Yeah.
So, even though greenfield entry is having some disadvantages, we have to go for that so that we can attain a good market on long term.
So we will go with greenfield.
So, or everyone is agreed with this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, friends, and we have decided that we are going for a greenfield entry into the UK market, and for this we have to make some changes in the existing strategy which we are following in the Canada. So are you people having any points in your mind that what kind of changes we can make in our existing strategy? So if you have any points, you can discuss now.
Yes, sir. In UK, funeral business market is so less as compared to Canada. If we put high service charge as compared to Canada, so we cannot get the market. It's just like Canada.
Yeah, so you are saying we have to offer the service with a less price.
That's right, sure.
But
Okay.
there are also existing firms there. They will act as a threat to us. We have to do something about it.
It's okay. Yeah, for that we'll do something else. And okay. Any other point? Anyone?
Sir, since funeral business in UK is very less, so we can adopt the promotional activities to attend it.
So promotional activities means we have to do more advertisements.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll do it.
Yes, sir. We have to do this.
Yeah, we'll keep this in mind. Okay, thank you, friends.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.